gonna let it slide off. See what happens. Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so today's video is gonna be about this new and improved upgraded version of the iPhone X OLED screen. So the reason why I'm making this video is I never recommended getting iPhone X hard OLED screens. The reason why is because they were just too fragile. They broke easily. I had a horrible experience with hard OLED screens on the iPhone Xs. But I guess that's probably gonna change now because these new upgraded version iPhone X hard OLED screens, two things that are different than what they used to be. Number one, first off, the price. What I'm currently paying for soft OLED iPhone X screens is $106. These new and improved iPhone X hard OLED screens are $63. That's a 40% difference in price in these two screens. The other big thing that's even more important is this. What it even says on the back is what my supplier has told me, that it says right here on the box, breakage proof improved. Inside OLED not getting broken is easy. That was my main concern why I never recommended hard OLED screens for iPhone X. But I have these now and I'm gonna do a drop test with this. I got an iPhone X right here. I'm gonna install this screen and I'm gonna do a drop test right now. So just to give you guys like a quick background on what the difference between soft OLED and hard OLED. So let's start with the soft OLED first. So soft OLED is the same flexible screen material used on the Samsung S7 Edge, S8, S9, S10 phones, right? So just like this, here's a S7 Edge. You guys see how it's flexible? So let's say if a customer drops their phone or whatever, it falls off the table, if the screen cracks, it doesn't black out like how the iPhone X hard OLED screen is. I'll get to that in a second. So the soft OLEDs are way more durable, and that's important because people are paying $1,000 for these phones now, and the repairs are more expensive for these phones. They're double the price than like the iPhone 7s or any of the other iPhones. They're at least double the price for the screen repairs on these phones. So the soft OLEDs are more durable, even though they cost more. The one thing that you avoid is customers coming back and not complaining, but frustrations are avoided. Frustrations on the customer's part, frustrations on my part for me having to replace screens for free because they broke so easily. So that was the big frustration that I had when I first started doing iPhone X repairs. Screens just broke way too easily on the replacement screens. So I started buying soft OLEDs and that whole frustration went away. I didn't have customers coming back a week later, 2 weeks later and saying, oh, their screen just blacked out. Okay, so that's what the soft OLEDs are for. Durable, even though they're more expensive, they're durable, and I like them more, customers like them more, the repairs last way longer, the screens aren't fragile, expensive repair, but customers getting what they're paying for, right? Okay, so now let's go and talk about the old hard OLED screens. Screens were fragile. They were maybe about $20 cheaper than the soft OLED screens. Hard OLED screens were fragile, causing freaking headaches, broke easily. They're just a big headache. I didn't want to deal with them anymore and I stopped buying them, right? what I'm gonna do now with these upgraded versions, I'm just gonna do a drop test. I'm gonna install these on an iPhone 10 screen that I have right here on an iPhone 10, and I'm gonna install this, and I'm gonna do a quick drop test. So once again, I hope these are legit how my supplier says that they are. So once again, if everything goes well, my price for getting these screens are gonna go from $106 down to $63. So let's get this started. Okay, so let me go over what this package is and what the box says before I install it on this iPhone 10. So here's the box, here's the packaging, and as you see, it says upgraded version. So these are the new hard OLED screens. So you open the box, kind of gives you like a little, I don't know how to, it gives you instructions on how to put these things on. And then here's this screen. Here's the new and improved hard OLED screen. And even on the back, as you can see right here, it says breakage proof improved. That was the #1 thing why I did not like hard OLED screens, like I said already. See, as you can see, inside OLED not getting broken easily. This, same process, original true tone functionality. Boom. Okay, so let's install this on this phone. Here we go. Okay, so right away, okay, so now I have this screen installed right now, and I can just completely tell this is a nice looking screen. It's freaking clear. You can totally tell it's OLED screen. So before I start this drop test, this is what I'm gonna be looking for. What I'm really looking for is gonna be how the OLED screen, the display screen, how it's gonna react when the phone gets dropped on these hardwood floors over here. So I wanna see if the screen still turns on. I wanna see if the screen doesn't just black out from it just being dropped, you know, like this on the hardwood floors. So let's just get into it right here. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna let it slide off. See what happens. Okay. Let's let it slide again. Okay, so I did it from twice from the knee. Now I'm gonna do it from right here. So I'm just gonna let it slide off the table. Now the table is this height. It's maybe just under my waist. So let's go. Let's see how this works. Let's go right here. Oh well, it survived. So that's 3 drops. Okay, so I'm just gonna face first on the floor, like this. Let's turn this on real quick. Yeah, it's on. It's not breaking. Holy crap. What is that? 4 drops now. Holy crap. So it's on. That's 4 drops on the hardwood floor. Nothing has happened. Okay. Screen works perfectly fine. Okay, so let's do one last drop test, because if this thing's not breaking, I don't want to keep dropping it and just having it break. like and waste the screen. But okay, so here you go. Here, I'll do it in the mirror, dude. Check this out. So here we got this screen right here. We're just gonna drop it shoulder height right now. And it's perfect. Look at that. Shoulder, that's, what is that? 2 from the knee, 1 from the waist, 1 from the shoulder. I think we got a winner, right? $63 for this new and improved Hard OLED screen. I'm gonna drop my prices in my store freaking immediately, and I'm gonna just start ordering these. And I'm gonna let you guys know how everything's going, because before, these phones were dropping and they were breaking too easily. All right, so what'd you guys think about this drop test that I just did right now? Do me a favor and smash the like button if you like the drop test that I just did. Okay, so I'm gonna give myself the green light to order a bunch of these screens, and I'm gonna drop the price in my shop, and I'm gonna fix a bunch of iPhone 10s on customers' phones. But the real true test is gonna be the customer. So if I repair a bunch of these phones and I don't get comebacks how I did like many months ago, like 7 or 8 months ago, then I'm gonna officially start recommending the new upgraded versions of these screens right now. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Once again, if you like this video or helped you out, especially with this price drop on this phone, 40% drop in price that I'm gonna save, or anybody out there that knows my supplier is gonna save, that's gonna be good for all of us. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.